Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I just got my PlayStation 5 and I absolutely love this. My games look great. However, I love using my PlayStation 4 controller with the back button attachment on it still. Something I cannot do with my PlayStation 5 controller. They just don't have it out yet. So how would I go ahead and connect my PlayStation 4 controller to my PlayStation 5? Now, if you're trying to use the cable that came with your PlayStation 5 to connect your PlayStation 4 controller, this simply won't work. It's not the right connector cable. What you will actually need is a USB to micro USB cable. Now, this used to be the standard for cell phones on the Android platform maybe like 3, 4, 5 years ago. So you may have one of these just lying around your house. So I'm going to connect it via USB, but I have to warn you, I've been having a varying degree of success connecting my PlayStation 4 controller via USB cable. And I'm not sure if this is a result of differences in the versions of controller. The early generation controllers, I've been having a good success rate at connecting this controller for the first time using the USB cable. But with my newest version of my PlayStation 4 controller, the PS4 Pro version, I haven't been able to connect this for the first time using a USB. I've been having to use it wireless. But I'm going to show you both methods and how to do that right now. So let's go over to my PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and connect my USB to my PlayStation 5 and then the micro USB to my early generation PlayStation 4 controller. So this is now connected and you can see it's connected when it's charging. Now if I go ahead and press the PlayStation button, will I have my controller turn on? My controller is now working and I can connect it to my PlayStation 5. Just by pressing X, I'm now able to use this. And I can see my controller is charging in the upper right hand side of the screen. So I can disconnect my PS4 controller and I should be able to still use this because it's connected via Bluetooth. So I connected my early generation PlayStation 4 controller. Let's try my PlayStation 4 Pro version or the newest PS4 controller. Connecting the USB cable right now. It is charging. Let's press the PlayStation button and see if this one works and connects. Pressing it, nothing's popping up to connect it to a user whatsoever. So it seems like this generation of controller, at least for me, hasn't been working. Let's disconnect the back button attachment and try. Nothing. It won't connect. So if your PlayStation 4 controller is not connecting, you will need a controller connected first. So here is a controller that's connected. Let's go up to settings, select that. Then go down to accessories. Select accessories. Then go over to Bluetooth accessories. Take your controller that's not connecting, press the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time and put your controller into pairing mode or sync mode. So let's go ahead and do that. And you'll know it's in sync mode when the light bar flashes. So my light bar is flashing. And under accessories found, my DualShock 4 is listed under here. Now let's take one of my connected controllers, my PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller, and then go down to accessories found and select this controller manually under the found Bluetooth devices. So this is going to connect now. And go to Yes under Register Accessories. So this controller is now connected. You can see that my controller is trying to pick a user to log into. So let's press X on that. And I am now able to use this controller on my PlayStation 5. So if you are not connecting or it won't connect or sync to your PlayStation 5, go under Bluetooth Accessories and just select it manually using another controller. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 and 4 tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.